Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you the unboxing Samsung Essential. The model number is S33A 54.5 centimeter. It is the meaning centimeter equal to 22 inches Essential monitor. So I wanna show you this is bill. I already few minutes ago I reached at my home and I opened this box. I have purchased this box from offline, not in online, because I got the 300 rupees less than the online price, because the online price is 5,900 and I got this one 5,600. So you can see here the price. You can see here the price 5,600. I will show you in the daylight when the price is. This is my bill. I will show you in the next time daylight. So I will show you what is inside the box. So I want to show you first I want to show you the model number. You can see here the model number, the S33A54. This is a Samsung. I will show you. This is the Samsung. See here backside the box, and this is box I have already opened. So I want to unbox this one by one. What are inside the box? This is the adapter, power adapter, 24 watt. This is the manual book. This is the power cord. It is a power cord. This is the stand. This is the stand body. See here the stand body. It is making aluminum. This is making aluminum. This is HDMI for attaching in the graphics card, CPU, or this is VGA cable. And this monitor has a two input socket. So one is HDMI, one is VGA. This is directly connected for CPU, and this is connected for the GPU. This is the base. You can see here the base. I don't want to show you how to attach it with this. You can see the another video in the YouTube channel. So inside the main this is my monitor, Samsung Essential 22 inch. It is enough for video editing, because I have the Dell monitor. The Dell monitor has a loose power connection, and I have been facing since 3 years, and last day it is already totally damaged, and bother and buy a new one or the Samsung. But the LG monitor, all LG monitor are available on the online, and online even in offline for more than 60 hertz. I mean 75 hertz, more than 75 Hz, 140 Hz, especially for gamings. But I don't but I don't want to. But in the 24/7 inch LG monitor, it has the 60 Hz, because 60 Hz is for especially for video editing and creative person. But what type of HDMI and VGA cables provides by the Samsung company, Samsung this monitor, because you can see here, this is the HDMI, and this is also HDMI. You can see here, this HDMI and this HDMI are different. This HDMI is suitable for GPU NVIDIA graphics card, but this HDMI doesn't adjust to my GPU. So that is why I don't use this HDMI. So in another hand, I want to use this VGA cable, because it is the VGA converter. So this type of HDMI, this HDMI socket suitable for a GPU, NVIDIA GPU. This HDMI doesn't. So I use this cable. And this video I wanna show you the display mode. That totally I have already the power on this Samsung monitor. So this is the monitor, and you can see here this Samsung. You can see here this is the Samsung already, this Samsung logo. This is the Samsung logo. Okay, so I want to show you, because everybody show the auto, everybody show on the YouTube don't show the auto adjust, how they set the auto adjust to show here. I want to show you the picture adjust, brightness 45, contrast 75, and sharpness 60. So this is I have already set, because before the brightness was 100, contrast 75, and sharpness I just changed the brightness from 100 to 75. Yes, say again, and don't use the eye shaving mode. If you use the eye shaving mode, it already just like a fog. It is not good for creator. It is not good for creator just like me, because if you active the eye saver mode, it already fog already come, because when you see, you can see here the fog. So it disturbs the color balance when I adjust the color balance from digital content, because I am a 3D journalist. So you can see here this content is okay. So I'm gonna show you the another. So you can see here. And I'm gonna show you the another video. So you can see here this video. So you can see here, this is good, but you gonna feel through this lens which from which I want to take this video shot, because this is just my smartphone. So you can but you can feel the color, this color quality, because the color quality is standard, everything is standard. It is good for content creators just like me. It is refresh rate 60 Hz, 60 Hz is good for content creator, but more than 60 Hz refresh rate is not good for content creators. So if I show this create, you can see the picture quality. It is standard, it is very good standard. So you can feel the what is log footage and what is color grade footage. You can see here. This is the log footage. Okay, when I show you